This is CAIE A-Level Maths, Summer 2020, Paper 1, Variant 1. Question number 1. This is an arithmetic progression question, and in this question we can see that the sum of the first 9 terms is equal to 117, and the sum of the next 4 terms is equal to 91. In this question, we need to find the first term and the common difference of the progression. Since we know that the sum of the first 9 terms is equals to 117, and the sum of the next 4 terms, which is term number 10 till term number 13, which is equals to 91, we can rewrite this as the sum of the first 13 terms, the total 13 terms, is equals to 117 plus 91, which gives us a total. The sum of the first 13 terms is equals to 208. We can apply the arithmetic progression formula on both of these sums that we have found out. So sum of the first 9 terms will be equals to 1 upon 2 into 9 bracket 2a, which is unknown, plus 9 minus 1 d, which is also unknown, and we need to find. You know, the sum of the first 9 terms is equals to 117, so we copy it over here, and this is equals to 9 upon 2 into 2a plus 8d. If we simplify this further, we can see that it gives us 26 equals to 2a plus 8d. If we divide both sides by 2, this will give us 13 equals to a plus 4d, and we can rewrite this as and make a the subject, and this will give us a equals to 13 minus 4d. Now if you apply the same formula on the second term, we know that the sum of the first 13 terms equals to 1 upon 2 into 13 bracket 2a plus 13 minus 1 d. The sum of the first 13 terms is equals to 208 equals to 13 upon 2 into 2a plus 12d. If we solve this further, we'll get 32 equals to 2a plus 12d, and we can divide both sides by 2, which will give us 16 equals to a plus 6d, and we can rearrange and make a the subject, which will give us a equals to 16 minus 6d. Since now we know that a equals to a, we can write this as 13 minus 4d equals to 16 minus 6d. Rearranging the terms, this will give us 6d minus 4d equals to 16 minus 13, which is 2d equals to 3. Then this will give us the final answer, d equals to 1.5. Now that we have found the common difference, we can just find from this formula the first term, which is a equals to 13 minus 4d, where a equals to 13 minus 4 and d is 1.5, and this will give us the final answer, which will give us the first term equals to 7.